Howdy, y'all. Today, I gotta clean my spectacles. Today, I need a haircut. But the reason for this video, we will be compiling the data for the Froth Method using a 1/4 ounce of water. I'm just using sterling for him. I'm going to keep using this one particular soap for all my experiments. That way there's less variables. That's what we have in there right now. Can you see it? One reason I chose sterling is it's easily available. Maybe not this one, but it's easily available, affordable, performs well. What else can I say? I have my handy dandy scale. Some of you may recognize that. Right, Nomeo? All right. For the past 5 uses, I've used the Froth Method where you put in a 1/4 ounce of water. And yes, I used a measuring device. I loaded for about 30 seconds. Started out weighing the tub with the lid. I did have a gasket in there, but I found it to be useless. Started out the experiment weighing 174 grams. Like I said, I've used 5 shaves. So we're going to see what she weighs now. I would take it over and show you, but way too complicated. It weighs 172 grams. So I've used 2 grams for the past 5 shaves. The brush I used, there's not really too much affected on the soap usage this time because it's a different method. So basically I've used 2 grams for 5 shaves, which is fantabulous. If we compare that to the last experiment using a 27 millimeter Maggard super high density fan knot, prior to starting the test, it was 216 grams. Afterwards, it was 175 grams. So let's see where my notes are. Of course, that was for 10 shaves. So if we split that in half, that would be like 20.5 grams used. Comparing apples to apples, 5 shaves to 5 shaves. So basically it was 4.1 grams used per shave using the brush. And like, let's just say 1/2 gram using this method. So that is quite a bit of difference. This method of loading the soap is very efficient, very, very efficient. So you might want to give that a thought. Maybe the next time you want to try something different. I don't know how, the soap will hold up over multiple uses. But what I've done is I've, loaded the soap, let it set out to dry for at least 12 hours. This is about 12 hours after my last shave using this method. Sorry. I'll try to mute that a little bit. But anyway, the Froth Method, I will be doing a 2.1 to where I'm using more water to see how much more soap is used in that. Hope everyone's enjoying this series. After the Froth Method 2.1. Phase 3 is going to be, let's see, what should we call it? How about let's load it like we love it. Let's go polar opposite. For that, what I'm planning to do is take in the soap. Instead of using a timer, you know, I may try to see how many swirls you do in a second, but I'm going to do 50 swirls next time. 40, 30, 20, 10. And we're just going to see how, I'm not weighing the soap. What I'm doing is seeing about the minimum amount of soap that you need to use for a shave. You know, if 10 still is a lot, I may go down to 5. I know before, I think I've used a soap loaded for 10 swirls and had enough for a 3-pass shave. And that was with a small puck. So this, you know, should be, time will tell. It should be the same, but hey. But that's what we have going on. Like I said, hopefully everybody's enjoying this. If you do, subscribe. Give me a like. Comment. Then we're going to have some other things going on as well. All right, everyone. Be good. Be kind. Be nice to each other. Don't be a pain in my butt. Until next time. Jim's out.